period. If you're new here, my name is MisaLaraine. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button because we're on the road to 30K. Alright, so in today's video, I will be installing a wig from Yolissa Hair. And I'm just going to do a little unboxing for you guys. So they gave me a headscarf, a bonnet, an elastic band, some wig caps, a information card to care for your wig, some lashes, and a satin bag to store your wig after you're finished wearing it. Alright, so this is me with my ball cap on, well, my wig cap. I'm going to be doing the ball cap method, but it's going to be different because this is a 5x5 closure wig. I'll talk to you more about the wig when I install it, but as you can see here, I am cutting my ear tabs out. And after I'm finished with that, I am going to only be applying glue where the closure is going to be laying at. So I'm putting the wig on and I'm marking where the closure stops. And then I put a little mark underneath these marks just to ensure that I'm going to have enough cap. The spray I'll be using today is the Ebin New York Wonder Lace Adhesive Bond. This was my first time using this adhesive, and I'm probably going to be using this spray with every install now because the hold it gives you is crazy. I'm applying 2 layers of this and then blow drying in between until it's tacky, and then after that I will cut off the rest of the wig cap. I'm going in with the Ebin Lace Tint in the color Natural or Neutral Beige. I'm not sure, but I know it's not my color because I kept this part in real time. I was so confused. I thought it would be darker than this because when I was in a beauty supply store, all the other ones looked too dark for me. But I ended up spraying the rest of the cap and then going in with some foundation powder to see if I could darken it a little. And I thought I messed it up, but it came together at the end. This is so much easier than putting like foundation or like powder on the wig cap. So I think I found a little potion for my wigs now. Alright, so the wig I'll be installing today is a 180% density 5x5 22-inch HD lace wig. I did pluck the lace and bleach the knots off camera, and I actually did the microwave bleach method for this unit. I left it in for 15 seconds since this is a closure wig. It took very well and the hair was very nice. I kept it in for about, I think, 3 weeks, and it didn't get brittle or start matting or tangling or anything. It kept its softness, and I didn't have to do anything over. I didn't have to curl it over. I slept with my bonnet and brushed it out in the morning, and the only touch-ups I really had to do was flatten the top with my hot comb and redo my baby hairs. So yeah, I'm just gonna let you guys watch me install this unit. I'm gonna be using the same spray bottle that I used in the beginning, the Even Wonder Lace Bonds. And the same thing that I did for the ball cap method is honestly the same thing that I'm going to be doing to install this wig. And then I will be curling it and styling it on camera. Guys, so I lost the clips of my outro for this video, so I just put a TikTok that I made for this unit at the end so y'all can see the final result. This is the end of the video, so I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to follow me on all my social media. Everything will be included in the description box, as well as this link to the wig. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.